And okay, Chala, actually a lot of people to thank, so I'll go in order because I don't want to miss anyone, because this is the main day before the final release of our film Dilruba. So starting from our producers, Ravi Garu, Shivam Celluloids, e film to producers ki debut చేస్తున్నాను, and Saregama is launching over here with already chala music to establish ayyaru, but ippudu they are also launching as producers, so welcome here. Thanks a ton to the entire team of Saregama, Sahil, Ashish, everyone, thanks a ton, and I'm really happy. I'm sure this is a beginning of a lot of work that we're going to do together. And Shivam Celluloids, Ravi Garu, Kalyan Garu, Rakesh Reddy Garu, chala thanks. You guys have been very, very supportive, and it's been such a pleasure and so happy working with you all. Thank you so much. Then, of course, our entire team. Firstly, let me start with the opportunity Naku, who's given me this big opportunity. Na amazing director Karun Garu. I think I only had to actually act Anjali, but I think you were not only living Anjali, but you were living every character. And I think that is the commitment that I absolutely love about you. I cannot thank you enough for giving me this opportunity, not only to be a energetic girl, but also with so much good dialogues, chala emotional variation undi. So for me as an actor, it is so satisfying to do a character like Anjali. So thank you so much, and I know this is going to be a blockbuster start for you, and then you're going to be very, very busy. And all the technicians, music, Sam C.S. Garu, I think he's not here today, but the songs, I think Ippudu songs and trailer chala hit ayaru already. So me audience ki chala thanks, but also Sam C.S. Garu ki chala thanks, because every song ki chala different music, chala different emotions expressed chesaru through the music. So I think he's done an amazing job. Lyrics, Bhaskar Garu. Naku actually, I don't know so much Telugu, but na English to translate chestunanu. So even in English ki kuda chala deep meaning undi lyrics ki. So I think he's done an amazing job. If he's here, thank you so much. Then our DOP for making all of us look so stunning. Yeah. Vishwa Garu, thank you so much. I think we've not spoken a lot on sets because you used to be busy doing your work and I used to be busy doing my role of Anjali. But I think you made all of us look even better on screen. So thank you so much.